Alright guys, welcome back to another lecture. So let's just recap what we've done. Our character can jump, our character can move around, we can set up in the editor how many extra jumps we get in the air before we fall down, and all is working fine. So it's time for us to move to the next step, which is to introduce coins into this world. And the whole idea is that coins will be dropping from the sky and this character will be picking them up. And that is what we want to build. So first of all, we need to have a coin animation because I want the coins to be animated. So I went to Google and I just Googled, coin game 2D animation. And then if you scroll down, you'll see this link right here, 2D coin opengameart.org, and this is the URL. You go here and you find this free coin, which has license CC0, so we can actually use this coin in our game. You can click here to download this this package with the coin. Let's see. Open the folder, then we just extract the coins, and then we go to PNG, and let's see. We can choose the color, let's choose gold, and then we can choose medium. Yeah, and here we have the animation. As you can see, if I just scroll through the images, they are animated. So we get these different frames for the images. Okay, very good. So what we do right now is that we go to our asset folder. You know how to do that. Open Unity, and then go to assets, and then right click, and then show in Explorer. Go into assets, and here you can create a new folder called coin, like this. Go into coin, and then open this folder with the coin frames. Select all of them, and then just drag them in, like this. You can close this. And finally, if you go back to Unity, you'll see that we now have this new folder called coin, and here are all the images. So how do we make this coin animate on the screen? Well, it's very simple. Click on the first frame, hold the shift, click on the last frame, and then drag them in together and place on the working area somewhere here. So just release them like this. And now Unity will ask you where you want to save this animation, because Unity understands that when you drag all of these frames onto the screen, you want to create an animation. So where do you want to save it? So let's just save it in the same folder where all of the coin images are. Coin animation, save, boom, and now we have it here, but we cannot see it. You know why? Guess why? Well, because the ordering layer is wrong. So ordering layer needs to be at least, I think at least 2, because the background is 2. Yes. So this needs to be at least 2, and if we put it to 10, it will work fine. And so now if you run the game, you see that we have a coin animating. So you see how simple it is with Unity. Sometimes it really blows my mind how simple everything is. Something we can do is just rename this. Let's see, rename to coin. And you see that it took our images that we gave to it. Let's see, it took all of these images and then it just put them all together and created an animation, and that's it. So now we have a coin on the screen. However, we need to generate coins. I want the coins to fall from the sky, so that is something that we will have to do in the next lecture, guys. So hope you learned how animations work. Let's continue in the next lecture.